In the atmosphere is off to the southwest or northern Mexico. That's where the low is, and it is slowly working its way off toward the basin. This is what we call a cutoff low. The jet stream system pretty much pulls storm systems from west to east right across our area, no problem. This one is stuck, so it's slowly moving. It's not stalled out, but it is moving, and it is going to be a good rainmaker for us over the next few days. Matter of fact, as of right now, again, showers are starting to move in, not seeing the severe weather. But here's the hour-by-hour forecast, and we kind of bring this in time. We're looking at about 8 o'clock, some fairly decent thunderstorms popping up in the northern basin. We'll have to keep an eye on that. Heaviest rain, though, may occur again in the morning hours when you're driving to work. You'll see these showers and thunderstorms. You'll need the windshield wipers, make sure they're working, and all of this energy moves back into the mountains, but then it comes back around again. The spin of the atmosphere and this disturbance will keep rain in place Thursday, and possibly early Friday we'll still have some showers in place across the area. Now, as far as rain totals today, not a whole lot. 1/107 inch in the bucket here at the airport, but we did have heavier amounts across the basin. Even though we didn't get it in the bucket at the airport, we did see some showers. Currently, this is where we are. 73 degrees, our air temperature, calm winds, humidity and dew point temperature is just not high enough. We need those numbers to be a lot higher in order for us to get a good deal of rain tonight. So it looks like tonight may be a little bit drier, and temperatures still in the 70s. We're seeing some 40s, though, around the Guadalupe Pass, so a little bit cooler there. Wind speeds starting to shift more to the northeast. We're still seeing a southeasterly flow. We've got a northwesterly flow, but the wind speeds are light now, but almost 60-mile-per-hour winds in the Guadalupe Mountains earlier today. Things are starting to settle down. Let's take a look at the forecast, show you where the numbers will fall. Tonight, 30s and 40s. Again, almost like this morning, just not too bad, but highs cooler tomorrow. 50s for the northern section, 62 in Big Spring, Midland, Odessa in the 40s, close to 50 degrees in most locations, and highs in the low 60s just about everywhere. Trans-Pecos, 40s, some 50s down in Sanderson and Dryden, then highs in the 60s, upper 60s down in Dryden area. And then for the mountains, 37 in Marfa, Fort Davis, Alpine at 40, and then highs mainly in the 50s, a few 60s around Presidio. 7-day forecast. Rain staying in next 2 days at least, maybe a shower early Friday, and windy conditions too, so keep that in mind. And then we warm up for the weekend on into next week. Next week back into the 80s.
Yeah, it almost seemed like the storms yesterday had a bigger bark than an actual bite.
Yes, in East Texas it will be barking. Here it's just going to be, I don't know, wagging its tail.
Yeah, that's a really good analogy. That was nice. All right, Jeff Everly joining us.